In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could get the rusted shut medical kits here in Arc Raiders. Before we get in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But overall, this is pretty easy to go ahead and do. Essentially, what you're going to want to do is play the game like normal, but specifically play on something like Damn Battlegrounds, right? And if you actually hit inspect when you go to load into it and zoom in, you're going to see all these different POIs. What you're going to want to do is look in medical areas. So for example, on this map, the testing annex thing right here has this little medical symbol and it's outlined in yellow, meaning it's a medium loot value zone. These are the areas that you're going to want to check. Any area that's in red or yellow and has this little medical symbol. You don't have to exclusively be on the Damn Battlegrounds map. You can really be anywhere, as long as it has this little medical symbol, and you just need to search around hospital rooms, drawers, lockers, and other containers in those areas. That is where other members of the community are finding the most medical kits. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.